Hi there, students. To Plotz. To Plotz. Okay, this is American slang. It's from Yiddish. It means to be overcome with emotion, or to sit down, to collapse heavily, to faint from surprise or excitement or exhaustion. So, when I took my new girlfriend into the bar, my friends plotzed when they saw her. They fainted because she was so beautiful, such a wonderful person. They plotzed from surprise. I plotzed when the waiter brought me the bill because I didn't have enough money. Yeah, so to faint from here, or to collapse because I was upset. You can also use this to sit down heavily. When I finally got home, I put down the bags and plotzed onto the sofa. And that's the idea of to plotz, to either to be overcome with a strong emotion. My friends will plotz with jealousy when they discover this. I plotzed with pleasure when I discovered that I had passed my proficiency exam. The crusty old gentleman of the club plotzed at the idea of letting ladies join the club. Yeah, they plotzed at the thought of changing things. Okay, so you're overcome with strong emotion. It could be jealousy, it could be anger, it could be interest, it could be pleasure. Yeah, I plotzed with happiness when the critics said that my latest video was really, really good. And then to plotz, to drop down heavily, to drop down because you're full of exhaustion. So I plotzed myself down in the chair and took a large swig of my drink. Okay, so to plotz, to be overcome by something, to be overcome by surprise, to be overcome by excitement, to be overcome by some sort of emotion. Yeah, to faint, to fall down. I plotzed with frustration when I discovered that the builder wasn't coming, even though he said he was. I plotzed with anger. I exploded with anger, I guess. I was overcome with anger, but internally it's not necessarily expressing it. I plotzed with anger when I discovered what he had done. I fumed. I was overcome with this emotion. Okay, so to plotz, to flop down. Yeah, you've been out at work all day, or you've had a really hard journey home on the underground, and you get home and all you do is just plotz down in a chair. And then when something really strange, something happens that is a minor shock, a disappointment, then you plotz as well. To plotz with jealousy, to plotz with happiness, to plotz with shock, to plotz with disappointment. Very often this word plotz is used humorously as well. So, formality. This is Jewish American slang. This is from Yiddish. I think I would give it a 3.5 in formality, used in an informal conversation. And then, as to origin, it comes from Yiddish, platzen, to spill, to burst, to explode. From Middle High German, platzen or blatzen, to strike something loudly. So, if this video becomes viral, I will plotz with happiness. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Plotz.